welcome to one of the most exciting videos I have filmed. So excited. So today, me and my family got dressed so that we can do our gender review, even though we already know what we are having. But of course I have to film for Instagram and for YouTube. So my initial plan was to do like a mini baby shower. That was at first when I was thinking about the idea, but things change really fast. In fact, I didn't even know that I was going to do any filming today. I woke up really exhausted and just tired, but I just had to summon up strength, in order to get it done, so I can just get it done. And I knew it would be very exciting for Camille because I did a gender review for Camille, so it's only natural that I do a gender review for this new baby. So it was really nice. I'll just show you guys how it went. So I just put together a cute little backdrop with some balloons that I got off Temu, and I just my son is into balloons these days, so it was fun for him to play with the balloons, and take pictures in front of them, in front of the backdrop. So I'll just show you how I put together the cute little backdrop, and we'll see what we are having. For this backdrop, I ordered a few balloons from Temu. So I have this gold and pink white balloon combination, and then the balloons also come with glue, but you can order more glue because I ended up using extra glue. So I went ahead to inflate the balloons, which I couldn't do by myself because right now my lung capacity is at a minimum. So I gave it to my husband and he was able to blow the balloons for me, and I created clusters of different sizes of balloons. And to create a cluster is just to inflate the balloons to the size that you want, tie them up together, and then, like I do in the video, just wrap them together and you can create clusters. I started arranging them on the backdrop. So this backdrop is one that I use for my events, but you can easily rent one from a home decor, like an event decoration store. So after putting them together, I probably could have added more balloons to fill up the spaces, but I was getting tired. So I just did what I could, and then I added a pillow and decorated that end table with some flowers and a candle, and we are ready for pictures and to do the review. It's official, we are having a little baby girl. I'm so excited. They always say that mothers always know what they're having when they get pregnant. When I was pregnant with Camille, even before we went to the hospital to check to see what we were having, I already knew I was carrying a boy. When I got pregnant for this one, I knew that I was carrying a girl. And then of course, when we did the scan and saw, I saw a cute little, body inside my belly, I was just too sure. I was too sure that I was having a girl. My husband was like, "Are you sure?" After when I kept telling him we're having a girl, he was like, "Are you sure? Are you sure?" At some point, I started doubting that it's possible that I might be carrying a boy. I said, "No, I'm having a girl." So it was so exciting when we found out at the hospital. most exciting part is shopping for this little baby girl. I think that's the best part. Buying all the cute little pink clothes, you know, and the mini me matching outfits. So exciting. So hope you guys enjoyed this small cute little video, and if you are planning something like this, I hope it gave you a little bit of inspiration. I'm not a party planner, neither am I a decorator. So I just did what I could, you know, to just make the moment special for my family. So I hope you found it inspirational, and I hope you found it interesting. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.